Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched some knights towards Najd, who arrested and fetched a man of Banu Hanifa called Samama bin Uthal, the chief of the inhabitants of Yamama. They fastened him to one of the pillars of Masjid Nabawi. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went near him and said, O Samama, what is your intention? He submitted, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is good. If you kill me, you will kill a man who has shed blood. If you do favor, you will do him a favor who is grateful. If you want property, you may demand. You will get as much wealth as you wish. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam left him and went away. Next day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Samama, what do you intend? He replied, the same as I have already told you. If you do favor, you will do him a favor who is grateful. If you kill, you will kill him who has shed blood. If you want wealth, you may demand. You will acquire as much wealth as you wish. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam again went away, leaving him. The next day he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again said, O Thamama, what do you intend? He replied, I have already told you my opinion. If you do favor, you will do him a favor who is a grateful person. If you kill, you will kill a person who has split blood. If you want wealth, you may demand. You will get the wealth you wish. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, unfasten Samama. He made towards a date palm near the mosque, took a bath, re-entered the mosque and submitted, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Translation: I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I testify that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his bondsman and his apostle. O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, on the face of the earth, I did not despise any face more than yours, but now your face is most beloved to me among all faces. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not abhor any religion more than yours, but now your religion is the dearest to me among all religions. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I did not detest any city more than yours, but now I love it the most among all cities. Your cavalry arrested me while I was going to perform Umrah. Now what do you command? So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him the glad tidings and commanded him to perform the Umrah. When he reached Makkah Mukarramah, someone said to him, have you become a renegade? He replied, no, but I have embraced Islam at the hand of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hearken, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, not a single grain of wheat will reach you from Yamama unless Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam accords permission. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4564.